I was looking for a kayak that is easy to carry. Inflatable kayak can fit inside my van, so it seems like an obvious choice. Paddleboard is a tempting option too, but kayak is still a more comfortable choice for two people. There are many inflatable kayak choices. Some people recommend buying a kayak that is wrapped with fabrics. Those seems to be more durable. However, I found those kayaks to be difficult to dry, and sometimes they could be several $100s more expensive. I didn't want a cheap, unstable kayak that would be easily punctured. I was just going through reviews on Amazon and decided to give this Intex Excursion a try. The total cost including tax was about $280. The package came with everything I needed to start, including seats, a hand pump, and 2 paddles. I also bought a $90 electric pump, but it overheated and died halfway through inflating the kayak. I ended up finishing the job with the hand pump, but it wasn't as difficult as I expected. I did mess up the direction of the seats on my first try, but it was very easy to rearrange. Deflating was very easy as well, although I didn't finish the work until I got home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time.